Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another quick speed test between the Galaxy A32 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. As on the A32 we get MediaTek Helio G80 chip and 6GB of RAM, while on the Galaxy Note 9 we get Exynos 9810 chip and 6GB of RAM. But the Note 9 is a flagship one which is almost 2-year-old. So let's see the gaming performance of the A32 against the Note 9 in 2021. So without any further ado, let's get into it. And as always, starting from the Bootup Test. So here we go. Now let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. The A32 is much cheaper than the Galaxy Note 9 in 2021. But let's see how it's gonna perform against the flagship one in gaming applications. Well, you can see the first boot up test won by the Samsung Note 9, and the A32 is still taking some time. Well, I think it was about 4-second difference between the A32 and the Note 9 in a first boot up test. Okay, so before starting the test, you guys can see both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off on the background. So starting from some light applications just for a warm up, and here we go. Well, this one goes to the Galaxy Note 9 and it was about the same camera. Well, you can see it was exactly at the same time once again. Now let's try these third-party applications to see the real difference between the A32 and the Galaxy Note 9. Well, it was astonishing performance from the A32 because as you guys saw here, some of the application tests from by the A32 against the Galaxy Note 9. Now it's really confusing that which one you should buy, because on the one side we have a mid-ranger while on the other side we have a flagship one. Now the choice is yours, but I would recommend the A32 over the Galaxy Note 9 because the flagship smartphones are now becoming mid-ranger, and you can see the A32 have got attractive design compared to Galaxy Note 9. So share your thoughts in the comment section about both smartphones because that is very important for me and for my viewers. Thanks for watching us, and as always, keep supporting us.